Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make vegan blueberry muffins. This recipe is super easy and I promise that everyone will be able to make them. You can have them for breakfast or whenever you wish to have some delicious treat. But now let's get started. To make them you are going to need 300 grams of all-purpose flour, 150 grams of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 200 milliliters of plant-based milk, 150 milliliters of sunflower oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 120 grams of fresh blueberries. Start by mixing all dry ingredients and sieve them through a sieve. Mix again until they are well combined and make a well. Add your wet ingredients, which include plant-based milk, sunflower oil, and vanilla extract. Mix again until butter is well combined, but be careful not to overmix. And as last, fold in your blueberries. Fill about 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter in each muffin case. In total, you will be able to make around 9 to 12 muffins, which of course depends on muffin case sizes. And now let's bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes in 180 Celsius. Once they are done, take them out of the oven and let them cool down for at least 10 minutes. And our muffins are done. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe and you're going to try it out. You can find all the details below this video. Please click like, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel, and see you later. Bye!